Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pre-cooking the chow mein noodles so they finish quickly in the wok. This keeps them springy rather than soggy. Once the noodles are drained, toss with a teaspoon of oil to prevent clumping and set aside. While those rest, cut your protein thin for fast, even cooking, and prepare the vegetables into uniform strips so everything hits doneness together. Finally, combine the soy, oyster sauce, sugar, and stock so the sauce is ready to add when the stir-fry is hot. Heat your wok until it smokes lightly so you get that characteristic sear and flavor. Add oil and immediately cook minced ginger and garlic for just seconds to bloom aroma. Then quickly sear the protein until it browns but stays juicy, remove it, and stir-fry the vegetables briefly to retain a pleasant crunch. Once the pan is hot again, add noodles and protein back, pour the sauce, and toss vigorously for 30 to 45 seconds so the sauce clings and reduces slightly. Finish by tasting and adjusting seasoning. Add half a teaspoon of salt or extra soy if needed, and a tiny drizzle of sesame oil for aroma. Toss everything once more so flavors marry, then transfer to a warm plate right away to preserve texture. Garnish with sliced green onions and sesame seeds for contrast. If the noodles are sticking or turned limp, make sure the pan is hotter, reduce added liquid, and next time toss noodles with a little oil after draining to prevent clumps and sogginess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.